Nanny and newborn care placement agencies are in high demand. As families juggle work, growing households, and new safety concerns, more parents are choosing childcare in their own homes. This has increased the need for nanny professionals, newborn care specialists, and trusted childcare providers. Many agencies can't keep up with the number of families looking for help, and that creates an opportunity. Some agencies focus on nanny care. Others specialize in newborn care placement. Many offer both. This program was created for people who understand childcare, care about doing things the right way, and want to build a real business that helps families and caregivers without being the one providing hands-on care themselves. Families today want more than casual referrals. They want clear processes, vetted caregivers, proper paperwork, and peace of mind. That's why well-run placement agencies stand out. At ICT Academy, with over 20 years in the childcare and agency industry, we've seen what works, and we've seen where new agency owners often get stuck. That's why we created the Nanny Agency Business Accelerator, also known as NABA. NABA is a focused 4-week online program designed to help you start, or properly set up, a nanny or newborn care placement agency. This is not a caregiver training program, and it's not a generic business course. It's a step-by-step program that shows you how to build a professional placement agency the right way, using clear systems, simple guidance, and real-world agency experience. Each week, you'll receive access to a new module with easy-to-follow instruction and guidance. You'll know exactly what to focus on that week, what steps to take, and how to move forward without feeling overwhelmed. Each module includes clear and simple action steps, along with the opportunity to submit questions related to that week's material. Our expert instructors review submissions and provide guidance, so you're not left guessing as you build. The systems taught in this program apply whether you plan to place nannies, newborn care specialists, or a combination of both. Over the 4 weeks, you'll learn how agencies actually work day to day, from business setup and structure, to caregiver recruitment and screening, to working with families, pricing your services, and managing professional placements. Many new agency owners are able to generate meaningful income within their first year, and for those who stay consistent and build strong systems, 6-figure agency revenue within the first 1 to 2 years is not uncommon in this industry. Of course, results depend on effort, location, and execution, but the demand for professional placement services and the long-term potential of this business model are well established. When you complete the program, you'll earn a professional agency certification and receive a full set of forms, contracts, scripts, and templates designed to help you operate with confidence and credibility. These are the kinds of tools that often take years to develop and usually come from learning the hard way. Many agency owners choose this path because it allows them to work behind the scenes, use their childcare experience in a new way, set their own schedule, and build a business that helps more families and care professionals, while growing their own career through business ownership. Whether your background is in childcare, healthcare, newborn care, or a combination, this program is designed to help you build a professional placement business that fits your experience and goals. NABA runs in small monthly groups, so participants receive timely guidance and support as needed. Enrollment is limited for each group. If you're ready to move from childcare or elevate the career you already have and build a professional placement business of your own by stepping into ownership, we invite you to join the next NABA program. For full program details and enrollment, visit ictacademy.org and complete your registration to secure your spot in the next online cohort. We look forward to supporting you as you take this exciting next step forward in your career.